began in national team in 2004. I play in a game with the Malaysia team, a friend game, and sometimes in qualification and for in Asian Cup and Suzuki Cup. But the player in Malaysia and not technically not so very good, but very power and running and fighting. But in last 2 years we played with Malaysia, but in semi-final, but we lost. But I'm very sad. But this season we need to try play better, more better, can win in Malaysia.
What do you think of the current situation of your national team in Vietnam? Because it looks you have some very experienced players, but some very exciting, younger, technical players as well. Do you think this is now a very good condition for Vietnam, a very good balance in the squad?
But before we go Myanmar and play in Suzuki Cup in 2016, I speak with the newspaper. Not easy and for my team and play in this season because then we change many players and old players. But now in national team Vietnam and get many and players, young players. But some players first time and play in Suzuki Cup in this season. But in play in AFF Suzuki Cup and only in here many team and strong. But many players play a long time ago in national team and play in every year in the Suzuki Cup. But you see in last game we play with Myanmar in stadium here. But we not easy game, But Myanmar, every people speak Myanmar not so strong. But in last game Myanmar played very well. But in many fans, I think in 32,000 people. But not easy for young player. But in football and normal, we need change. We need change and young player. But after we can thinking for future. But national team Vietnam and need thinking for future. But not this season. But we hope. But sometimes we win, but sometimes we lost. But we don't care. But we need for thinking for future for young player here and happening with young player quality.
Are you worried to play because of the weather, or you can just play your normal game?
No, and a player very scared and very hot. But in Vietnam hot game, but we are not play in 3 p.m. But we in club and national team play maybe at 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. But I know when every player don't want to play in 3 p.m. in this season because it's very hot. But player cannot play in quality, cannot play in 100%. And then for national team and player. But I'm so happy. I with player and some players play with me long time ago. But some young player first time and go national team. But we stay here and same family. We together. But we can speak everything for football, for same here speak and listen to music.
It's the same, really.
Yes, sure. But sometimes we play not good. Every player not happy. But we play, we stay here. But before I speak and say we say family. Lost, every player lost. But win, every player win. But we need and together.
I know it's a team scoring record of all time in the Suzuki Cup. Are you also motivated by these individual goals to try and reach the top level before you finish?
But and player, but and me playing for striker. But always I want to score. Always I want and have many